Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today I will show you how to add or remove frames on your Facebook profile picture. So let's just get started then. First open Facebook on a web browser. Go to your profile. Click on your profile picture and click on update profile picture and select the add frame option. After that, you can select any frame you want to and then click use as profile picture, and there is your new profile picture with the frame. After that, if you want to remove the frame, click your profile picture again, select switch to previous picture now, then click confirm and the frame will get removed. So that's how you can add or remove frames on a profile picture. Hope you guys like this video. Share our videos and subscribe.